Now I'll write a reading response for the story Last Stop on Market Street. I'll begin my reading response with a tag, title, author, genre, and identify the main character. I'll then make an inference about the main character's traits and provide some text evidence to support my thinking. I'll then explain the conflict in the story, and lastly, I'll make an inference about what the main character learned at the end of the story. Here's my example. In Matt de la Peña's fiction story Last Stop on Market Street, the main character is CJ. At the beginning of the story, CJ is jealous because he doesn't get to do the things that other people can do. In the text, he asks Nana why they don't have a car, and he wishes he had headphones to hear music. The problem in the story is that CJ doesn't see the good things all around him. At the end of the story, Nana shows him a rainbow in the sky over the soup kitchen. CJ learns that beauty can be found all around us.